how to use the free download manager, that is FDM, for Android to download files. Once you install the app from the Play Store for the first time, open it, allow the notifications, and this is the home screen. Here we've got 5 tabs at the bottom. First one is home tab. It shows you the list of files that are downloading. On the search tab, you'll be able to search the downloaded files. Currently there are no any downloaded files, so the search tab is not active. The third tab, plus, lets you directly import the download links here. So the fourth tab is settings, which is the most important part. Best settings for FDM will be covered in a separate video later on. Go to fifth tab, and here you can use the browser. So once you're done with all these, let's try begin downloading the files. Now the first option to download the files is to tap on the plus button and import a direct download link. Currently this screen is not visible because this is protected content. You can just input a direct download link on the box and begin downloading. Now the second and very popular method to download files on FDM is to tap on the hamburger icon at the bottom right side and go to browser. This is the inbuilt browser of FDM, and you can search for any files online. For example, Google search. Let's do one demonstration. From here, CapCut download, and just tap on download. It automatically prompts you to download the file. Tap on download, and thus the download has begun. Thus the download has completed. So that's the basic of how you can use the FDM on Android. Like this video if you have any questions, write in the comments and subscribe to this channel.